typical bridge loan, people know about debts like a bank debt or whatever. So what are the characteristics of bridge loans? Let's say when you were doing this, 2, 3, 4 years ago, and what are the characteristics now?
Yeah, the biggest difference is your bridge is going to be adjustable rates, and your permanent is going to be a fixed rate. The adjustable rate didn't seem like a problem when the rates were so low.
Right.
They low for so long, right?
And then you also
and bridge is private investors. They're not banks usually. They're just hedge funds or private equity companies, right? Rates are a little higher usually, would you say, or
they usually, but it started trending the opposite.
The opposite way. Okay.
Yeah.
And sometimes they'll give you more on higher LTV, means they'll loan more against the value of the property. Is that right?
Definitely. They're going to give you off of the loan to cost versus where most agencies are just going to go off loan to value.
Gotcha.
So big difference on leverage for sure.